44?
No, 156,414.
15614. Alright, thank you for that. To DMU for into Lincoln train station. I think that's in Leicester actually.
12:27 Northern
Hey, the crossings are still down. 156,440. Kobe, are you filming? Oh yeah, you are. No one coming, still no one. I know, because the barriers are down.
Letting that go. That's why I'm saying we're sticking a pin and crossing.
Come on, I'm recording. I've got it on camera. Wait, that train leaving Northern Service.
Yeah, we've got about
will be the 12:30 service to Leicester.
I'm still filming.
Guards!
We won't get it first.
Let's just leave it now. Here's Phil's goal posts.
Should we do this so it can be
Number 5 with Joe's Fish, 12:27, 21 Northern Service, 409.
include me as well.
Well, you can see yourself.
Yeah, I'm fine. Come on. 144. 009. Oh, to add it. Come on. They're building their own central crossings. One 144,009 after Adwick. Go over Lincoln Central crossings. Going up. Yeah, and they're going up. Wow, that crossing is crowded. See how crowded it is? Almost on footpath. But I'll say that's it, guys.